To set up privacy protection password for Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the fingerprints, face ID data, and screen lock. Sorry for that. Now if we scroll down, there's other passwords, and we have privacy protection password. Click on it and activate it right here. It will ask you to confirm your current password and click on next. After that, you can create your privacy protection password. So draw the lines however you like, and then click on next. That will be your password. Now we can add Xiaomi account to recover that password if we forget it. In this case, I'm gonna click on not now. And here we have it, our privacy protection password is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.